Hello, my name is Jacob Forden, and today we'll be talking about some helpful things involving the backpack. First things first, if you want to get any artifacts you may have from the previous years, you can go to your Google Drive, and on your home page for your Google Drive, you can hit the arrow saying My Drive, your name, so last dash first, and then you can go to this artifacts folder. You'll see all your folders for this year, and then this final folder that says archived. If you click on that, and then the previous year, so 18-19, you'll see all your folders from last year. So if I want to go to my prepared and resilient learner, I'd see the 2 artifacts I put in from last year. And then if you want to move those into the folders for this year, you can just hold on with your click and then drag it to the folder for this year. And then you'll press OK, and then you'll see that artifact that you just dragged in there into your folder. Next, if you want to create your presentation on the Backpack website, backpack.jcps.me, you can hit this plus create, and as it gets your showcase ready, you'll see where you can add any of your artifacts, your Google presentation, and a blurb or audience hook. So if I wanted to add something from Prepared and Resilient Learner, you can hit this add arrow, hit artifacts, and it'll show all those artifacts that are in your folder. So if I wanted to throw my ILP for this year in there, you can just click on it, press select, and as it loads, you'll see your ILP is in your showcase, and then you can describe the learning experience as led to this artifact, and then explain how this experience helps you develop the prepared and resilient learner skills. Once you're done with that, you'll repeat that for all of your folders, and you should have 2 for each one. So you have 2 for prepared resilient learner, 2 for effective communicator, and 2 for the rest. When you're done with that and you have everything all ready and complete for your defense, you can press this click copy a link to this page, and it will copy the link, and with that link you'll send it to Mr. Daniel. So if you go to your student email, hit new message, and for the 2 you'll put Matthew, I can spell Matthew right, Daniel at jefferson.kyschools.us. There it is. And then for your subject, you can just put your name and senior defense, and this must be sent no less than 1 week before your defense. And for your body, you'll just paste that backpack link. This is done so it's a smooth transition between students and between defenses, so they can run by in a smooth schedule. Also with that, you should come prepared with your defense, with your not that one, I'm sorry, it will be the overview document, which you'll put all your artifacts, the titles, the teacher you had that class, the teacher, the class, and the year from when that artifact was made. And you'll have this printed out for your defense, and also you'll also be required to have your reflection, which is from the senior defense prompt document. And then this will be used as a graphic organizer for your 1-page typed reflection of your senior defense. And that must be printed out and on hand when you do your defense. Any other useful information can be found on the LMHS library website. From the welcome page, you'll just hit the backpack tab, and it will give you any information you may need. So your defense checklists, instructions, important notes and videos, and etc. Also other helpful videos, and then tips for iPhone users to scan any information to go into the backpack, and then also your sign up if you haven't done it already by Sign Up Genius. Also, you can also find any useful information on the LMHS website by going to students, and it's going all the way down to seniors, where you'll see the top of the information will include anything senior defense related. You can also find information on the school website, such as a YouTube video on the very bottom of senior defense examples of people's introductions, artifacts in their school signature item. You can also find all of the useful links and documents on the Students tab in the Seniors section, where the top half of it includes all the information that was on the LMHS library website, such as important notes, videos, rubrics, and the Sign Up Genius for the Senior Defense. Awesome. I hope all this information helps, and good luck on your senior defense.